century, Fisher Companies has helped build the infrastructure that keeps Michigan moving. Founded in 1925 in Midland, Michigan, Fisher began as a small sand and gravel operation and grew into a multi-entity construction leader serving communities across aggregates, asphalt, concrete, transportation, and heavy civil construction. Today, that same spirit of hard work, durability, and forward thinking continues at their Mount Pleasant facility. For operations like Fisher, energy is not optional. It powers the equipment, facilities, production processes, and transportation systems that keep daily work moving. But with high electricity usage, rising utility rates, and increasing demand charges, controlling energy costs has become more important than ever. That is where this project begins. Ecojiva partnered with Fisher Companies to develop a purpose-built solar truck port canopy system designed to do more than generate clean power. This installation transforms fleet parking areas into productive energy infrastructure, creating a long-term asset that supports operations, reduces utility expenses, and improves cost predictability. The system includes 945 solar modules, delivering 510 kilowatts of DC capacity across approximately 60,000 square feet. Once operational, it is projected to generate approximately 541,000 kilowatt hours of electricity each year, replacing about half of Fisher's annual electric usage with on-site solar energy. That means more control over operating costs, less exposure to rising utility rates, and considerable energy savings every year. But the value of this project goes beyond power generation. The truck port canopy also provides protected parking for fleet assets and integrated all-weather service bays with block engine heaters. For a Michigan-based operation, that matters. It supports improved cold weather readiness, faster on-site servicing, and a more functional maintenance environment for the vehicles and equipment Fisher relies on every day. From concept to construction to completion, this project reflects what commercial solar can do when it is designed around real operational needs. It is not just panels on a roof. It is infrastructure. It is energy savings. It is fleet protection. And it is a long-term investment in the future of the business. For Fisher Companies, this 510 kilowatt solar truck port canopy is helping power today's operations while supporting a stronger, more resilient tomorrow. Ecojiva is proud to help Fisher Companies turn unused space into clean energy, operational value, and measurable savings. Working hard is what you do. Making the sun work for you is what we do.